The 1960 for Buick Wildcat stands as a powerful blend of performance, luxury, and classic American muscle, making it one of the most remarkable full-size cars of its era. Positioned between the LeSabre and Electra in Buick's lineup, it offered a refined driving experience with a bold presence on the road, with a long, sleek body and distinct styling cues, including a wide front grille, sharp body lines, and signature Wildcat badging. This car commanded attention, available in multiple body styles, including a two- or hardtop, four-door sedan, and convertible. It catered to different preferences while maintaining its aggressive yet elegant stance. Under the hood, the 1960 for Buick Wildcat delivered serious power. It came equipped with a standard 401 cubic inch Nailhead V8 engine, producing 325 horsepower and 445 pounds-ft of torque. For those seeking more performance, an optional 425 cubic inch Super Wildcat V8 pushed out an impressive 360 horsepower with dual 4-barrel carburetors. The combination of high torque and a well-tuned suspension provided an exhilarating yet smooth ride. Buyers could choose between a 3-speed manual, a 4-speed manual, or the Super Turbine 400 automatic transmission, offering both spirited performance and effortless cruising. The power steering and advanced suspension system ensured excellent road manners, making it a pleasure to drive whether on highways or winding roads. Inside, the Wildcat featured a spacious and luxurious cabin with high-quality materials and a driver-centric layout, premium vinyl and leather-trimmed seating, a wraparound dashboard, and chrome-accented instrument clusters created a sophisticated atmosphere. The large speedometer, fuel gauge, and auxiliary dials were designed for easy readability. Options like air conditioning, power windows, and AM/FM radio, and wood grain accents enhanced the upscale feel. The well-cushioned seats provided long-distance comfort, making the Wildcat an excellent choice for both performance enthusiasts and those who appreciated refined interiors. The 1960 for Buick Wildcat remains a highly desirable classic, with collectors valuing its blend of power, style, and rarity. The convertible models and high-performance Super Wildcat versions command significant attention in the market. Prices vary depending on condition, originality, and engine configuration, with well-preserved examples fetching premium values. As a representation of Buick's engineering prowess and attention to detail, the Wildcat continues to hold its place among classic American muscle cars. For those passionate about classic cars and powerful machines, subscribing to the channel ensures access to more in-depth reviews, rare vehicle features, and expert insights. Join the community today and stay connected as we explore legendary automobiles, bringing you the best content on iconic muscle cars and timeless automotive history.